Hello. So now let us start with Unity. So we have Unity already installed. Double click Unity to open it. So it starts with this Unity Hub, and here I click on New to create a new project. So you have a arrow here. If you click on this, if you have multiple versions of Unity, you can choose which version you want to create your project. Right now we have only one version, that is the latest version here. Click here, and coming to this project window you have 3D, and here coming in the project name we are going to name this as Unity Basics. So giving it the name as Unity Basics and saving it in Documents Unity folder, I click create, and this is now going to create the Unity project. So wait for the project to launch. So once the project is launched, this is the Unity screen that we are going to see. So here mainly the screen is divided into 5 segments. The first segment here on the left hand side is called as hierarchy. Here we have all the screen elements present over here. Right now we have only 2 elements. These are called as game objects. Remember, in 3D we call these elements as game object, and in 2D it is called as sprite. So one element we have is main camera. So in hierarchy, when I select this main camera, you can see in the scene window we are seeing the selected object over here, and we also see a camera preview. So here actually the second screen here, what we are seeing is the scene where we actually move, rotate, scale and place all our gaming objects. So this is the screen. Scene is the area where we are going to compose our game. So apart from scene, here we have game. When I click on game, this is actually the view that the user is going to see when he is playing the game. And we also have asset store here to import the assets. So now let us come back to scenes here, and when I select any component here, automatically on the right hand side we have the inspector window, and here in the inspector we can see the component name, the game object name, and game object has various components. Right now here it has 3 components. One is for camera, we have transform, camera and audio listener. We have 3 components here, and we can change all the parameters here using the inspector. So if I choose directional light, all the components regarding directional light comes over here, and at the bottom we have the project window where we are going to place all the assets. This is like a warehouse for our game, where all the assets or the items that we are going to use in our project will be stored here in the assets. So right now also on the top we have the toolbar, and we have a hand tool, move, rotate, scale, and then this is actually the rectangular box tool. We have rectangular tool, and we have the scale selected object and edit tool. So these are the icons we have over here, which we will know it one by one later. So right now here except for the camera and the light, there are no objects here, and if you want to create the object in the hierarchy, you can come here, click on create here. So if I click create here, and I am going to create a 3D object here, say for example let us create a cube. So as soon as I create the cube, you can see here the cube is added to the hierarchy, and you can see the cube placed in our screen. And also right now we have the rectangle tool selected. I will select the move tool. Remember to use keyboard shortcut for this selection. Say for example if I use W, it is the move tool, E is for rotation, R is for scale, and T is for rectangle tool, and then Y is, it has all the transform together, rotate, scale, rectangle, that is move, all are together in this tool. So right now I'll press W, this is the move tool, and if we come on to the right in the inspector, in the transform window, you can know the position of this component. Right now this is placed exactly at the center of the origin, 0, 0, 0. If you want to move it, if you come over here, we are seeing 3 cursors over here. The red represents the x-axis, the yellow represents y-axis, and blue represents the z-axis. So if we hold here and drag it, it moves along the z, this moves along the y, and this moves along the x. So as you move here, the position values here is going to change. If I want to bring it to the center, I will type 0x, 0y, and 0z. So when I type 0x, 0y, and 0z, it will come exactly back to the center. And so these are all, this is about the movement. Similarly, if I want to rotate it, you select the rotation tool. I have red to rotate in x axis, then blue to rotate in z axis, and green to rotate in y axis. So we have all the 3 here. So even here you can see the rotation angles changing. I will also set this also to 0, 0, 0. And similarly, we also have scale. If we want to scale it in one axis, we can use these 3 axis windows, and if I click on the center and if I drag it, it scales equally in all the axes. So here this is about the scale. So again, in scale also I will set x to 1, y to 1, and z to 1. So these are the transform tools that are available, and we are going to deal with this transform tool in detail in our next classes. So this is about the basic user interface of Unity. So understanding this, let us now move into our next step.